Hello everyone, we are back again to complete our one bedroom house, our one room house. Here it is, and we will continue. So for now we will be inserting the wall. You'll just click on the design, then go to all settings. After you double click on all settings, it will bring you to this point. Come here to all settings, ensure that your wall is at non-linked because we are not drawing a maisonette, not a story building. Ensure that your wall is not at this point, neither not at this point, but it at this point, the simple wall. Ensure that the thickness here it is 200. Yes, sure the thickness is 200. The height of the wall, for me I like it when it's at 3000 millimeters. And let's go to model. As we go to model, we are going to click here and open this all. Then I'll choose there it's correct on stonework. Then I'll come here and click OK. And after that, I'll come and set my wall to center so that it can appear properly on the wall. So I'll come and start drawing here. Alright, let's do this. Then after that, we finish up the inner walls. After that, I'll just press Control to cut this wall because we don't need it, and also cut the polyline that we used. I also don't need it for now. So after that, we want to place the doors and the windows. So at first I'll go to the windows. I like starting with the windows. I'll double click on windows. Yes, in the previous set of the video I instructed and showed you how to use the tools. So I'll click on the windows. I'll just click windows here. I like using a certain window which is around here. Here it is. I like using this window. It has a good shape. It looks good. So I'll come here and select open line. Open line is the lines that when you've already put your design, they cut across these are the lines they cut across the window, even the doors, for you to make your window decorative and smart. So I like removing them, just like that, and come again to model attributes, yeah, there, and I will just click that point. I want to change the color of the window. I like it in mahogany. For me to click this tick is to make them one, so that when I click on one, they change the color to one. Yeah, I like inserting black, since black has that color which doesn't shout so much. Then I'll just click, I like setting like that, then click OK. Then I'll come and insert my windows. The window is too small. I'll just come here and increase it to 2000. After that, I come and insert it here. That point, it is good at that point. Since I want it to be 1000 from the wall, I want it to be 1000 away. The same to this other point. I want it to be 1000, which you can just shift D to insert the measurement that you want, and there. Next we'll come to this room and insert at that point, and come and insert at this point, and come here. I would love to make this window a bit bigger. Let's make it 25, 25 here. Yeah, it's bigger enough. And this point, yes, and here is the sitting room, so I need a big window. For that matter, for this side, I need enough light in the room, so I'll insert a big window. Yep, there you go. And another window, I want to insert it around here. Yes, after that is done, I would love also to make this window big. Yeah, that's good. And the other one also, since this is the master bedroom. Good. So after that is done, we will just shift the doors. Just click on the doors. Yes, and I will just choose. I want to choose the doors in the inner rooms first. Now you can see this was already selected, so I'll just come and insert my door here. I will insert my door there. The other door I will insert, it will be here, around here, but I need it a bit wider. I'll put it in 2000. For this point here, I'll put an opening this point, and this point. For this point, I'll not put a door here. Yep. So I will just come and click on the doors, and select opening, any style, any kind of opening. Let me just search for it. Here it is, but I want a fashionable one, the one which is fashioned a bit. You can just search for it. Empty. Yeah, here they are. So I will take this one and click OK. I have nothing to set there. I'll just come and insert it right there. So I want it to be big, so I'll set 2000. Since I want a nice opening around that point, and the same around that point, since that will be the dining, and the same around that point. So that will be good. We'll come back to the door so that we can insert the front door. Let's insert the front door. I need a big door for the front. This will be good. So I'll just come and set it. Here it is. So you just open line door there. You click on override. You click again. then open line to remove the lines that I don't like them being there. Then I come here and model attributes. In model attributes, I'll just click this one so that I can merge them together like that. Then I click on black. I like black since black doesn't shout a lot, and let's just be fast. And there we go, and click OK and commence in the insert shadow at this point. Yep, inserted at that point. Let it open from this side. Inside, good, done. And after that, let's go to the 3D so that we can check on how the doors looks like. So here is the door. This is how it looks like. This is the front door. This one. As you can see, I had already set mahogany. So this is the mahogany. The lines are not there. And those are the empty spaces that I just preferred. Yes. Okay, as you can see here, I've already inserted the stairs. I will just remove this stair so that I can show you on how to insert the stairs. Yes, so I'll just go to that point. I'll just go to ground floor and highlight on the stairs. And delete them. Let me delete them from the 3D. Since I cannot. After I've just deleted them, I want us to insert the stairs together. So I'll go back to the ground floor. As I'm back to the ground floor, I can see here I have removed the line that was here, so I just return it back. And for this it was 500 halfway, so I have just that way. Then I'll come to my slab. Here's my slab. I want my slab to be my house slab was 150, so for this I'll add up to 150 first. The 150 is for the 150 is for the upper razor. This is the razor, so I'll insert it from this point. Yep. Next I will insert I will just go back again to the slab to insert. So here I reduce to 50, so it will be 100, and click OK. And not position right, good. And oh my god, I just let me position it right there and insert at that point. Then I'll come again to the slab and set to 50 now and click OK, and come and insert it to the lower riser now. Then after that your stairs is put. And let's check how our stairs appear.